Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video will see how to check a prime number. Suppose if you have given a number and you have asked to check whether it's a prime or not. Okay, so this is a popular interview questions you will be uh, face during interview. So please do watch this video from end to end to get a crystal clear picture. Okay, so this is especially for 0 to 4 years of experience in Java. You will get these questions. Okay, so before proceeding this video, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first, what is the prime number? Okay, so if a number is divisible by 1 and itself is known as prime number. So in reversal case, if you'll say, if suppose if the number is n, then if it is divisible by any of the number from 2 to n by 2, then we will say this is not a prime number. Then that is not a prime number. Okay, so if you are given a number n and that n is divisible by, means the remainder is 0, if you will divide that n with 2 to n minus 2 from this series, if you divide, if it is divisible, then that number, that n is not a prime number. Okay, so let's see, write the logic in appropriate way and we will gonna see. So let's take public static. First we'll take a method. Static I am taking so that will not create that object. So boolean return type whether the number is prime or not. Okay, check prime, and here I am taking that int. So int input, and first if that input is 0 or 1, then it is not a prime number. So let's have this logic. If input is equal to 0 and or condition input equal to 1, then return false. If it is either 0 or 1, then it is not a prime number. Okay, then if n is equal to 2, not n, it's input, my bad. If input equal to 2, then it's a prime number, return true. And the rest one, if it is not 0, not 1, not 2, then we need to go for this logic. If any number 2 to n by 2 will do. So how we'll do this one? We'll apply a for loop. So we'll check, we'll divide the n from starting from 2 to n by 2. Okay, so let's take int I is equal to 2 up to how much we'll take? I is less than equal to n by 2, and here we'll increase. So this is that logic. If input divisible by I, if the n is divisible by any number in between 2 to n by 2, then it's not a prime number, then return false. Okay, and apart from that one, percentile I is equal to 0, my bad. Apart from that, any of the logic, apart from that one, any of the logic, return true. Here will return true. Apart from that one, apart from that one, any of the logic return here. Instead of an input it should be, so instead of right, so apart from that one, any of the scenario return true. Okay, so this is that logic. Again I am explaining, if it is input is either 0 or 1, then return false. If it is 2 that input, then return true. It's a true, that means it's a prime number. Apart from that one, any number is coming, we need to iterate that number. We need to iterate from 2 to n by 2 or input by 2, and we need to check here if input is divisible by any of this number, then return false, that means it's not a prime number. Apart from that, return true. For any other cases, return true. Okay, so let me call this method from a main method to check that logic. Okay, so main, and here control B, check prime, and first let's take 10. Why it's crying? Oh, result of that one is ignored. Okay, let me print system dot out dot println. Okay, and here I am printing. So here check prime, 10 is what? It's not a prime number. Okay, so let's check. So it will return false. Okay, so if you'll see, it's returning false. Now let's take here 5. So 5 is a prime number, so it will return true. Let's see. Okay, so it's returning true. Okay, so hope you got a crystal clear picture how to check a prime number. Okay, thank you for watching, and do consider to subscribe my channel as well, and have your feedback in that comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.